is there any sunnah for yawning, or what to say? The sunnah is that when a person is yawning, is to make kavm, to suppress it to one's best ability, and to put one's hand on one's mouth, and not to say ha ha like this, and not to let oneself relax and open his mouth all the way. And this is something that the Prophet ﷺ, he forbade. And he commanded for the people to put their hands on their mouth and not to say ha, because the shaitan, he enters in his mouth, but to suppress it and not to say anything. And there's no mention or any authenticity about saying A'udhu billahi minash shaitan ar-rajim. So there's nothing that is mentioned there. Now, Wallahu a'lam.